Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got a new addition to our outside cooking area. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, get it set up, show you what we got. This is the setup here we're at Holbrook Pond Recreation Area as part of Fort Stewart. We're in a pull-through site. We got our pop-up set up. This is Lippert, not sponsored. Enjoy sitting outside in the evenings. The picnic table came with the site. So you know we have our Pit Boss pelt smoker. Get the Blackstone 22-inch griddle. So I'm going to show you the new addition. So this is going to be the addition to the outdoor kitchen. We really like our steaks cooked on charcoal, so we found this at the Base Exchange. So if you don't know what that is, it's like a Walmart for the military. We picked this thing up. I've seen them in Walmart and areas like that, so we're going to give this a try. It looks compact enough where we can carry it along with us. So we'll get this opened up, get it put together, and I'll show you using it. So like I said in the intro, this is our new addition to our outdoor kitchen. It's the Kingsford portable grill, 14-inch kettle grill with a hinged lid. So we're gonna get it put together, and I'll let you know how it is. You know how we like our steaks. We'll get this opened up, get it put together. I think this will be the first unboxing I've done on the channel. Not sponsored. We bought this. Hey, everybody knows you're here. That's it for the box. Cooking grate handle. Hey! Alright, lots of pieces. Bag of hardware. Let's get this back up here. That's the base. Nice. Here's the lid. So, got it all unboxed. I'm going to go through the instructions and I'll bring you guys back here in a second. And now we wait. So you can see it's a high quality build product. We've been using it for a few months now, and we're really enjoying the ease of the use of it. We put the aluminum foil on the bottom. It just helps with the cleanup afterwards. Use the match light style charcoal. Just less things you got to carry along with you. This was the first use of it, and like I said, it's really simple. We've since taken that top grate out of it, as you'll see in a second, where it marks up the stakes. It's a little tight, so I just took it out. And you can see that ring and that stake right there. But we're really enjoying it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.